Everybody thinks they know ChatGPT, but trust me, there's a whole secret side most people never touch. Today, I'm showing you 10 hidden features that'll make you realize this tool is way smarter than you thought. But wait a minute, you over here watching and not subscribing, MeSon? Go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. It's free and helps us drop more tech tips that actually work. Now, everybody talks about ChatGPT like they know it, but there's a whole secret side most people never touch. Today, I'm showing you 10 hidden ChatGPT features that'll save you time, boost your creativity, and make you look like an AI pro. Feature 1, custom instructions. You can literally train ChatGPT to match your vibe. Go to your profile, custom instructions, tell it who you are and how you want it to respond. Type something like, I'm a Caribbean creator, keep it casual but clear. Feature 2, memory mode. When memory's on, ChatGPT remembers details from past conversations, your project's goals and preferences, all saved for next time, so you don't have to re-explain yourself every single session. Feature 3, multilingual mode. ChatGPT can switch languages in seconds, Spanish, French, Patois, even Creole. Perfect for reaching fans across borders or creating subtitles for your videos. Feature 4, file uploads and analysis. Drop in PDFs, spreadsheets, or screenshots. Ask ChatGPT to summarize, extract data, or give insights. Like which video had the highest watch time is like having your own mini data team. Feature 5, plugins and custom GPTs. Through the GPT store, you can find mini versions of ChatGPT built for specific jobs, video editing, budgeting, cooking, you name it. You can even create your own Dusty Seconds GPT. MeSon. If you're learning something new right now, drop A in the comments. Let's see who really using these AI hacks for real. Feature 6, export and share chats. You can save or share entire convos with one click. Use it for tutorials, research, or team collaboration. Feature 7, prompt shortcuts. Create your own quick commands like how in video to auto-format your scripts for InVideo AI. These little tricks save serious time when you're creating daily. Feature 8, web browsing. ChatGPT can now search the live web for the latest news, updates, or prices. It's your real-time fact checker. Just remember to verify your sources. Feature 9, vision and audio. Upload a screenshot or photo. ChatGPT can describe, analyze, or read it, or talk to it directly with voice commands. Feature 10, deep research. Ask ChatGPT to gather facts, compare sources, and summarize findings. It's like a personal researcher who never sleeps. No coffee breaks, no complaints. Hold up, yeah, you still watching and ain't hit subscribe yet, MeSon. Go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Dusty Seconds got you covered every week with more tech tips that actually help. So there you have it, 10 hidden ChatGPT features you can start using today. Which one blew your mind the most? Drop your answer in the comments below. And if you want to keep learning, check this out.